So I noticed this. And I wanted to do a quick share. Now, look at that. Is that a piece of machinery? What is that? Coming from left to right. Just watch it. Until I upload it and get the better visual of it, to me this looks pretty nasty. I mean, you got a lot of stuff going on in here. You can make it out when it's moving around, but all this, watch it changing. How can those look like clouds? Go ahead, really. How could those look like clouds? I'm telling you, the world needs to see this stuff. They don't know this is there. They're not watching. Their heads aren't up. You can't, I mean, this is crazy. There's like no hiding it anymore. It's just there. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. It's clearly an object. I mean, clearly. There's not even anything cloaking it. It's just there. Oh my God. Look at them all. Look at a CAD. What no more hiding would call a CAD. That's crazy. Yeah, okay, well, I'm going to keep this short. I'm just beside myself on this.